Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about hidden penny items, top secret stuff. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, first up, fair warning. I will be uploading multiple videos daily this week. And what happens when I do that, unfortunately, sometimes notifications get messed up. They don't get sent out. Most of the time, it really messes up the algorithm and my videos do not get pushed out there as much. So I really need your all's help. If you want to see the deals this week, please, please, please hit the thumbs up and leave smiles in the comment section below. Now, I have already uploaded a few videos that y'all might want to go and check out. First of all, today is Sunday, so we have our new coupons, new glitches, and we have tons of awesome deals. So that video is already uploaded and out for you all. Also, yesterday on Saturday, I uploaded the Run Deals video. I believe there's a total of 12 freebies in that video, so make sure that you go and check it out. There's even a little bit of a moneymaker in there. And then, of course, on Friday, we had our new clearance markdowns and penny list video. And y'all, this is going to be the biggest penny list of the year. Now, I have already put together 3 visual videos for you all that you need to go and check out, because if you didn't know, the more that you watch these videos and get familiar with the items, the easier it is going to be for you to go penny shopping in the store. So here's a look at the videos that I've already put together. We have our yellow dot and green star spring and summer apparel, shoes, and accessories. We also have our back to school hardware and our back to school stationery categories. And then we also have our paper plates and party supplies. So all of those categories are going to be pennying out starting on Tuesday. But keep in mind, there are more categories included as well. And that brings us to this video right here. So on Tuesday, we also have the lawn and garden category, we have our green dot home category, and we have our pink square swim and summer toys, all pennying out on Tuesday. And what that means for us is that because there are so many items pennying out, that it's very likely that the employees will overlook a lot of these items. So what I have done is I have put together 2 videos. This is part 1 that you guys are watching right now. Part 2 is going to be up on Monday. So turn your notifications on, because you're not going to want to miss out on that one either. Now, as we go through these pictures, you guys will see some of these items will have a green dot, like these little containers right here. But these are items that are easily, so easily mixed in with the regular food container section. So basically, while I was going through hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pictures that I have taken over this last year, I was definitely looking for the items that do not have the telltale signs of a category, such as the green dot on the price tag. But I also wanted to include items that are easily mixed in with the regular sections. So a good example were those little food storage containers and the mixing bowls and kitchen items. All Dollar General stores have at least one aisle where they have the food storage containers and all of the kitchen utensils and items. So make sure that you all are checking there as well. And like I always say, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And keep in mind, especially with green dot home and lawn and garden, a lot of these items get mixed in with our regular sections. And hopefully these videos will kind of help jog your memory as to what all of those items were. I mean, just off the top of my head, I'm thinking we had bath items, so definitely need to check the shower curtains, bath mats. We definitely had kitchen supplies, so I need to check those mixing bowls. Even the foil trays for the grill accessories. All of those things can easily get mixed in, and a lot of them are not marked with the telltale signs, like the lawn and garden tags or a green dot on the price tag. They may just say S23 right beside the barcode. So those are the types of items that I have included in this video and also in part 2. So I hope that you guys will stick around and stay tuned and check out part 2 as well. And also keep in mind, the more you watch these videos and the more you familiarize yourself with these items, the easier it is going to be to find them once you get in the store. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of the video now, so I just wanted to pop in for a quick second and wish you all good luck this week penny shopping. I think this is going to be an epic week. And again, if you want to send any pictures of your hauls, I would love to see them, or just come back and leave them for me in the comment section below. I love hearing how you all end up doing out there shopping at the Dollar General. And also, make sure that you stay tuned for part 2, because y'all are not going to believe all the items that I have found. I've even got a few food items that you might find in the regular spot. So make sure that you stay tuned, do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.